Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss FSC Biology MCQs. Introduction to Biology. Which character differentiates living things from non-living organism? Option A, they live in same ecosystem. Option B, they are acted upon by the same environment. Option C, they are highly organized and complex, made of one or more cells and contain genetic material. Option D, both A and B. Option C is correct. They are highly organized and complex, made of one or more cells and contain genetic material. Next MCQ. The study of fossil is called environmental biology, historical biology, paleontology, social biology. The study of fossil is called paleontology, so option C is correct. Next MCQ. The experiments on DNA molecules in chromosome for knowing the basis of inherited disease are conducted by molecular biologist, microbiologist, freshwater biologist, social biologist. Option A is correct. Molecular biologist experiments on DNA. Next MCQ. Synthetic insulin from pork was formed by which technique? Parasitology, social biological techniques, biotechnology, both A and C. Option C is correct. Synthetic insulin was formed by biotechnology. Next MCQ. The branch of biology which deals with social behavior and communal life of human beings living in an environment is called social biology. Option B is correct. Next MCQ. Out of 92 naturally occurring chemical elements, how many are considered as bioelements? Option A 6, option B 16, option C 26, option D 15. Option B is correct. 16 elements are considered as bioelements. Next MCQ. Oxygen accounts for how many percentage of total human body mass? Option A 65%, option B 18%, option C 10%, option D 3%. Option A is correct. Oxygen comprises of 65%. Next MCQ. The atoms of different elements combine with each other through ionic or covalent bonding to produce compound. This stable form is called an organ, a molecule, a tissue. Both A and C option. Option B is correct. Molecule. Molecule is formed by different elements atom. Next MCQ. Which one is micromolecule? कौन सा माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल है? ऑप्शन ए पॉलीसेकेराइड, ऑप्शन बी प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन सी हीमोग्लोबिन, ऑप्शन डी एटीपी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एटीपी. एटीपी इज micromolecule. Next MCQ. A structure formed by group of similar cells organized into loose sheets or bundles performing similar function is called an organ, an organism, a tissue, a cell. Option C is correct. A tissue. Next MCQ. In animal, coordination is achieved by means of respiratory system, nervous system, endocrine system. Option D both B and C. In animals, coordination is achieved by means of nervous system and endocrine system. So option B and C is correct. Next MCQ. Group of living organism of same species living in same place at the same time is called community, population, ecosystem, biome. Option B is correct. Population. Next MCQ. Different species of plants and animals living in the same habitat is called community. Option B is correct. Next MCQ. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is called biome. Next MCQ. The concept that various organisms dominated this planet during a various geological time period and thus placing organism in time sequence came from the study by environmental biologist, paleontologist, marine biologist, social biologist. Option B is correct. Paleontologist. Next MCQ. It is possible to date the rocks by comparing the amount of specific radioactive isotope they contain. Which of statement is correct in this respect? Option B is correct. Older sediments have less amount of radioactive isotope as that of young ones. Next MCQ. an unbroken series of species arranged in ancestor to descendant sequence, with each species having evolved from one that immediately preceded it, is called option A biome, option B phyletic lineage, option C community, option D population. Option B is correct, phyletic lineage. Next MCQ, biological science have set methodology and it is based on option A experimental inquiry, option B aesthetic preference, option C philosophical ideas, option D imagination. So biological sciences are based upon experimental investigation, so option A is correct. Next MCQ, a series of hypotheses supported by result of many tests is called scientific law, theory, data, deduction. Option B is correct, theory. Next MCQ, which one is not correct for productive theory? Option C is correct. It discourages suggestions of different hypotheses. Next MCQ, on conclusion of Mendel work later become a scientific law. Next MCQ, breeders have developed new and better varieties of food items by using which technique? Option A pasteurization, option B hydroponic culture technique, option C genetic engineering, option D biological control and techniques. Option C is correct, genetic engineering. Next MCQ, production of genetically identical copies of organisms or cells by asexual reproduction is called option A mitosis, option B replication, option C cloning, option D biological control. Option C is correct, cloning. Next MCQ, astronauts may use which technique to grow fruits and vegetable? Tissue culture technique, cloning, pasteurization, hydroponic culture technique. Option D is correct, astronaut use hydroponic culture technique. Next MCQ, which statement is incorrect for pasteurization? Option D is correct option. It cannot be used to preserve vegetable and meat, so this option is incorrect. Next, what is mode of transmission of hepatitis virus? Option A aerosol, option B parental, option C skin penetration, option D unknown. Hepatitis virus transmit by parental through blood. Next MCQ, which disease can be controlled by vaccination? Option A measles, option B cancer, option C diabetes, option D heart attack. Option A is correct, measles can be controlled by vaccination. Next MCQ, vaccine was first developed by option B is correct, Edward Jenner. Next MCQ, which disease has been totally eradicated from the world because of effective vaccination? Option A measles, option B polio, option C smallpox, option D hepatitis. Option C is correct, smallpox. Next MCQ, which of the following statement is incorrect about antibiotics? They are used against microorganisms, they are always effective against bacteria, they are used in disease like tuberculosis or pneumonia, they are derived from bacteria only. Option D is correct, they are derived from bacteria only. This is incorrect about antibiotics. Next MCQ, which treatment is instituted in cancerous patient? Option A antibiotic therapy, option B radiotherapy, option C gene therapy, option D none of these. Option B is correct, radiotherapy is used in cancerous patient. Next MCQ, which statement is incorrect for cloning? Option D is correct, it involves method of sexual reproduction. Cloning is type of asexual reproduction, so this option is correct in this respect. Next MCQ, removal or degradation of environmental pollutants or toxic material by living organism is called bioremediation. Next MCQ, which of the following is not a viral disease? Option A cowpox, option B mumps, option C tetanus, option D smallpox. Option C is correct, tetanus is not viral disease. Next MCQ, in the human body 99% of total mass is formed of 16 bioelements, 12 bioelements, option C 10 bioelements, option D 6 bioelement. Option A is correct, 16 bioelements. Next MCQ, biological organization is simple, advanced, complex, highly complex. Biological organization is highly complex. Next MCQ, the arrangement of dash speak the division of labor within the cell, molecules, subatomic particle, atoms, organelles. The arrangement of organelles speak of division of labor. Next MCQ, communities are dash collection of organism, static, dynamic, maybe static or dynamic. Option D, none of these. Communities are dynamic collection. Next MCQ, the number of species of organism currently known to science is option C, 2.5 million. Next MCQ, which of the following is correct sequence in biological method? Option A, observation, hypothesis, law, theory. Option B, observation, hypothesis, deduction, testing of deduction. Option C, hypothesis, observation, deduction, testing of deduction. Option D, law, theory, deduction, observation. Option B is correct. First observation, then hypothesis, then deduction, then testing of deduction. This is all about FSC Biology chapter number 1. Thank you for watching.